If ever I had a video, would you dance?
Good morning everyone. It's a nice Saturday morning. Look at the weather outside. It's so dreamy and the solid sun. I had a really good sleep. Yesterday night we all passed out. Was so tired after a long hour. So yeah, now we're gonna head to the Watkins Glen State Park and have an adventurous trek. So stay tuned and let's get started.
When the talking is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore, down on her right wellbore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar. I need a light to see home. It's bad that I found her. I found you. I wanna wake up as more than just friends.
Oh my god.
No, we are going for cycling.
Oh yeah, they'll tie there. Hey guys.
Alpha Wolf. What you blow on that?
No.
Oh, it's so cute. Thank you.
Cute or something. No, but lazy. No, but they just went directly.
Varun, no. Ayush, no.
You wanna go off-roading?
We're doing? Fuck, dude. No, we cannot do this.
What are we doing now? Already off-roading.
Bro, we haven't seen anything. You guys want to go? I didn't ask you. I just came. I didn't think you
We'll ask them for it.
Is this really like a Pinterest thing, no? We're almost not even half the way. We're already breathtaking. How many pictures, Raju?
Meet Garage. We have a picture of all the safe
So pretty. Oh my god, is it called the...
Where's Chetu?
Loving it. Halfway. We're so close to the waterfall right now. So pretty. We're at the end of the trip.
Still working now.
Bro, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Not healthy.
How do you feel?
I need water.
How do you feel?
I'm gonna smoke a joint.
It's really pretty on the way. I think now we're going to head back, get some rest, and then continue. I think we're going to end today's day, but let's see what's going to happen. Stay tuned.